Hi guys, welcome to another video. I hope you're all having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Thank you so much for all the love from my last video. If you're new here, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and my channel is all about glam decorations, DIY, room makeovers, and all interior glam home ideas. I am so happy that you are here. I started my channel because I was always inspired and motivated by other creators in this platform from watching their house tours, DIYs, makeovers, and all the how-tos on projects that I love, which is all glam contents for our house. I finally decided I also wanted to help others just as I was encouraged by these amazing creators. Since I love interior decorating and I love to organize and clean our home, my husband and I also love to do room makeovers in our house. So why not also try to help others by encouraging them as we were encouraged. This video is a nighttime downstairs living house tour. I have also inserted clips of the before and after of the makeovers we have already done in our house. As I have mentioned from my first video of the wainscoting series, it is unfortunate that I was not able to share and film what we have already done, which is this video reveal, since I just recently started my channel. But please stay tuned as we have so much more plans for our whole upstairs house portion, as well as the laundry room and downstairs bathroom and a big backyard pool project to come, which I'm so excited to show you all. I truly hope that in some way you also get inspired by my video and somehow in any way I could try to help with your house projects with the contents I share. For my subscribers, I am deeply blessed to have you all as part of my glam family, so thank you for your love and support. It is my hope that this video gave you inspiration to endless possibilities of doing makeovers to your own space with a touch of glam. If it did, please kindly like this video and share with your loved ones. I hope you also consider being part of our glam family and subscribe. Thank you again for watching and have a magnificent day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now!